Why does some magazine makes you stop on its look or a cover for a second or for a minute? Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a professional digital magazine layout and design. So I use Adobe InDesign and Photoshop for this type of look and feel. Here I use especially Adobe InDesign for creating magazine layout. As in InDesign, I can quickly make object style for a different parts and for the articles like heading, body text, and even for the cover page and for table of content. This makes sure that all the articles follow uniformity. So InDesign also lets me place the text and picture exactly where I want them on the page. I can even get a very creative layout with how I can arrange everything. For refining images and for creating eye-catching design and the top story related cover design, I usually click real photographs or I use AI to generate high quality images. Then I totally rely on Adobe Photoshop because it's a very powerful software with amazing tools which allow me to crop, resize and adjust the brightness and contrast of the image to make them look professional. And a special thanks to all my team of media communication and broadcasting students. They write some amazing content and curate high quality articles from authors across the world. We work together to ensure that articles fit the theme and the tone of the magazine. And here is the final result. Check out the digital version of these magazines on this blog. And follow me for more design and animation tutorials and tips.